Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to set up a newsletter in Mailchimp. This is a full course beginner's tutorial for you to fully comprehend and understand the Mailchimp platform. If you're looking to connect with your audience, build loyalty, and keep them informed with updates, newsletters are a fantastic tool. And Mailchimp's features makes it easy for anyone to create a beautiful and effective emails, no matter your experience level. Let's get started. Step 1 is to create a Mailchimp account. Go to the Mailchimp website or open your browser and go to mailchimp.com. And if you don't have an account yet, click on sign up. Enter your email, create a username, and set a strong password. After logging in, you'll need to complete your profile, enter your business name, website address, and other key details that Mailchimp will use in your newsletters. Here's a tip. Make sure your contact information is correct as it'll appear in the footer of your emails. Step 2 is to set up your audience. We'll have to tap on this audience tab. And this is where you will have to manage your subscribers and personalize your newsletters. Here, just click on this Add Your Contacts button. And then you will have to choose how you would like to add your contacts. You may choose to import from another service. If you choose this, you may choose to upload a CSV file or to import from your Google folder. You may also choose to upload a file. This is where you'll have to upload a CSV file, and you'll have to make sure that the files are formatted properly and the data is clean. And then you may also choose a copy-paste option. So for this one, let's just continue first, or let's just choose this copy and paste option and then click on continue. Here, you can follow this prompt. You'll have to type in the email address, the first name, last name, and the address of your recipient. Make sure that you separate each of these with a comma, or else Mailchimp won't be able to read it. Again, the template is this email address, first name, last name, and then address. So let's try it with my contact first. So the email number that I'm going to use is a sample email. Here, you may also organize your contacts and click on continue once you're done. And then here, you may create a tag for your contacts. For example, you want to put in a VIP member tag. And then you will be able to create this tag for a specific member. Like for example, you have a recipient that is a VIP, or you want them to receive the emails first. You're going to tag them VIP member so that Mailchimp knows who they're going to send it first to. Once you're done with your import, or once you're done setting your audience, you may start creating a campaign. So you may simply click on the Start a Campaign button. And then Mailchimp is going to prompt you, or it's going to ask you how you want to design your email. Here you will be able to see the option from scratch, basic layout, and a fully designed template. So for this tutorial, we're going to do basic layout so that we won't have to start from scratch, and we'll actually have a guide. If you're a beginner, I fully suggest this one so that you won't have to think about where you're going to put in your header, how you're going to do your footer, and whatnot. But please take note that you can only use these two if you're using the free plan for the Mailchimp. If you want to choose this fully designed template, you will have to purchase a subscription for Mailchimp. So here, let's do basic layout. And then here you may choose You may choose from different templates. You may toggle this free templates only on if you want only the free templates or if you don't have any budget to buy. So for me, I would love to choose this pink one right here. If you want to preview it first, you can do so. Here you will be able to see the desktop preview, and then here is the mobile version of this view. If you think that this is nice for your brand, you may click on apply. And then once you're here, you will see these content blocks. These text blocks, you may drag them and then it will show up on your template. So first, let's talk about the heading block. So the heading, it usually captures the attention of your recipient. So you would love to add here, this is a new product, just so that you can hook the recipient to your template and make them want to actually read your email. And then you may also add an image here. You may add visuals by dragging an image block and uploading your file. You can use branded images to build familiarity. So all you have to do is to click on this block right here and then add an image. You may choose a photo that you have already uploaded, or you may choose to upload here by clicking on this button. But since I already have an uploaded photo right here, I'm just going to click on it and then click insert. Now that you have your image, I forgot to talk to you about the logo. Here in this block, you may add your logo. Just click on this set logo right here and then it will open your file manager. Here you will just have to choose the file for your logo and then click on open, and it will automatically be added to your email. And then you may also change the size, the alignment, and then the link of your logo so that when your recipient clicks on it, it will take them to your website. And then you may also alter the visibility, but you will have to upgrade your plan for this. So let's go back again. If you don't know how to add on your image, again, you may just refer to these style blocks right here. You will see this image right here and then just drag it to your email. Since I already have one, I'm just going to delete this one, and then that's it. You may also send a test email to yourself. I suggest that you do it with yourself, with your another account, or even with the account that you're using in this Mailchimp account, so that you will be able to see how it's going to look like when sent to you first, before actually sending it to your recipients. So you just have to put in your email here and then send test. Once you're satisfied with it, you just have to click on save and exit, and then here you have to edit the name of your letter. For me, I'll just choose this monthly sale, and then you'll have to edit the from and the subject fields, and then here Mailchimp is going to tell you all the errors in your letter. Please remember that Mailchimp will not publish your letter until all of these are resolved. Once you're done with it, you may click on send. And then once you publish it, you may be able to see the reports to your campaign right here in the analytics tab. You may track here your newsletter's performance in the reports tab right here. This is where you'll find insights into how your audience engaged with the email. Since I have not published any letters yet, it is not going to show up here. But once you have, you will be able to see key metrics such as open rate, click rate, and unsubscribes. Open rate shows the percentage of people who opened your email. Click rate is the percentage of people who clicked on links. And unsubscribes shows if people opted out. If unsubscribers are high, try to adjust your content or frequency. You have to use these metrics to improve future campaigns. If your click rates are low, try different visuals or wording on your calls to action. If your open rate is low, experiment with different send times and subject lines. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up your first Mailchimp newsletter. Following these steps will help you create and set effective, visually appealing newsletters that keep your audience informed and engaged. Remember, the more you analyze your metrics and refine your content, the better your campaign will perform. Thanks for following along and happy emailing. Bye!